Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you live from the digital studios of Market Club. And boy, what a week do we have ahead. The markets will be watching the Fed closely on Wednesday, looking for the central bank's latest decision on interest rates, although no one expects a change at this time, and I know I sure don't. There's also new GDP estimates for the markets to chew on. And even on top of all of that, if that wasn't enough this week, there are corporate earnings to think over. Apple, of course, is headlining a week of major earnings announcements. And we still have the presidential candidates continuing the battle for votes with 5 states up for grab on Tuesday. Make sure to look out tomorrow for our next fill in the caption. It went over pretty well last week. I think we'll really enjoy a little comedic relief with the at the expense of the presidential debates candidates tomorrow. With all that, let's take a look at the markets, and we'll start with the S&P 500. And we're looking at, I'm using just looking at a weekly chart here to start the week. Currently trading at a plus 75. The monthly and the weekly are still positive. Currently trading at the 2080 level. Key level to watch this week. And we're going to try to do a little Adam style writing here. Will be the 2033 80 level. If the S&P 500 should move below that level, which is currently sitting right about there, we'll be moved to the sidelines with a red new weekly trade triangle. Moving along, let's see here. We'll go to the Dow. Dow's currently at a plus 75 on the chart analysis score. Same deal. It's got a monthly green trade triangle, a weekly green trade triangle. Currently trading at 17,893, and a key level to watch for the Dow will be 17,484 level. Again, if it moves below that level, 17,484 would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Moving along, we'll move to the NASDAQ. Currently about plus 55 with the score. Of course, the NASDAQ took a big hit last week with the major tech earnings of misses by Google and Microsoft, or Alphabet, if you want to go by that. I still call it Google. Still has a monthly green trade triangle and a weekly trade triangle, meaning that the long-term trend is still up. Currently trading at the 4,883 level. And a key level to watch for the NASDAQ this week is 4,808. That's your key level to watch. Again, if we get below that level, we'll issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position and some near-term weakness for the NASDAQ. Moving along, take a look at gold. Gold's currently has a plus 85 of chart analysis score. Overall, the long-term trend is still long. Intermediate term trend is long. We'll actually change to a daily chart here so we can turn on our daily trade triangles so we can see we actually exited this position on Friday right here, 422 at 1,228.40. So short-term traders are presently in a sidelines position. Key level to watch for gold, now it's in sidelines, will be the 1,214, and we'll get a little more precise, 70 level. So 1,214.70. If we see a move below that level for gold, we will issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the short side. So you'd want to enter into a short position with short-term trend heading down. And that's a key level for gold to watch. Move along to crude oil. Crude oil exited today at the 42.95 level, currently trading at a plus 75 chart analysis score. Overall, long-term trend is still up, and the intermediate-term trend, the weekly trade triangle, is up. But if you're a short-term trader like we like to do with futures, you are currently on the sidelines. A key level to watch for crude oil will be at 36. 36.57. All right, 36.57 is where we will issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the downside, and short-term traders should be in a short position based on level. So 36.57 for crude oil is a good level to watch this week. And then with that, I thought we'd just real quick, we'll add Apple into our portfolio here just to see what we're expecting tomorrow. Apple's already on Friday issued a red weekly trade triangle at 104.88, indicating a move to the sidelines position. So clearly the trade triangles know something's up with earnings, as everybody expects them to miss and really detail how much iPhone sales have fallen off. So it'll be curious to see tomorrow. Currently, the long-term monthly trade triangle is at 110.42, and we're on the sidelines position at 104.88. I think we still have a little bit of move to get down to turning a monthly trade triangle green or red. I'm sorry, but we'll have to see that. With that, tune in tomorrow for fill in the caption with another presidential candidate as a battle of Super Tuesday with 5 states up for grab. And we'll be back Wednesday with a weekly update and to see where the markets are heading. Have a great day. Every success with Market Club, and we'll talk to you soon.